So here polynomial means in this the variable is x. Variable means unknown. So here unknown value is x. This x power should not be negative and x power should not be a fraction. If the exponent of this x is, if it is a non-negative number and it should not be a fraction, then it is called a polynomial. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. Here you see x power is 2, x power is 1, here x is not there, we can write x to the power 0. So you can take 0 as the x power. So here x power is a positive number, so it is a polynomial. Here x power is 3, x power is 2, but here x power is 1 by 2. Root x means x power is 1 by 2. So if the x power is a fraction, then it is not a polynomial. Here x to the power 4, power exponent of the term is, degree of the term is 4. Here x cube is in the denominator. If you bring it to numerator, it will become x to the power minus 3. If x power is negative, it is not a polynomial. So polynomial means the exponent, the variable exponent should not be negative number and variable exponent should not be a fraction. So if the degree of the variable is not negative number, if the degree of the variable is not a fraction, then only it is called a polynomial. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. So here it is a polynomial, but here x power is a fraction, that is 1 by 2. Therefore it is not a polynomial. Here x power is a negative number, it is not a polynomial. So if the x power is negative number or the x power is a fraction, then that expression is not a polynomial. So here highest power of the polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. Here in these three terms are there. Here x power is 0, here x power is 1, here x power is 2. If the highest degree of the variable is 2, highest power of the variable is 2, then 2 is known as the degree of the polynomial. Here degree is 2 because highest power of x is 2. So therefore we can define a polynomial that variable power should not be a negative number and variable power should not be a fraction. If x power is negative or if x power is a fraction, then it is not a polynomial. Otherwise it is known as a polynomial. So for example, x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. Here x power is 3. Here x power is 2, x power is 1, here x is not there, you can take it as 0. So highest power of x is 3, therefore 3 is known as degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is 3 because highest power of x is 3. So 3 is called degree of the polynomial. Here the number written on left side of the variable, that is called coefficient. Here coefficient is 1. Here coefficient is 3, here coefficient is 4, here coefficient is 10 because we can write x to the power 0, so coefficient is 10. Write exercise 2.1. First question, find the degree of the following polynomials. Find the degree of the following polynomials. First one, x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 3. Here highest power of the variable is 5, Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 5. Degree means highest power of x is known as degree of the polynomial. Here highest power of the variable is 5. So degree of the polynomial is 5. Second one, x square plus x minus 5. Here highest power of the variable is 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Next, number 3, 5. Here variable is not there, so you can write x to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So if you write x to the power 0, it makes no difference. So 5 into x to the power 0. So degree of the variable is 0. So degree of the polynomial is also 0. Three x to the power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Here there are two variables, one is x and the other is y. So two unknowns are there, one is x, other is y. So highest power of the variable we have to see, that is taken as degree of the polynomial. So among this x and y, x is having highest power 6. So 6 is called degree of the polynomial. Next, 4 minus y square. Here highest power of the variable is 2. So degree of the polynomial is also 2. Last one, 5t minus root 3. Here unknown, the variable is t, so its power is 1. So degree of the variable is 1, highest degree is 1. So degree of this polynomial is also 1. So degree is 1. So a polynomial means the variable power should not be a negative number and the variable power should not be a fraction. Then that expression is called a polynomial. The highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. So here highest power of the variable is 2. So 2 is taken as degree of the polynomial. Right, second question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials? Which of the following expressions are polynomials? Right, first one, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here variable is x, only one variable is there, x. So it is called, and highest power of x is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Second one, x square plus root 2. Here highest power of x is 2, so degree of the polynomial is 2 and it is a polynomial. Whether it is a polynomial or not means we have to check 2 points. First one is exponent of the variable should not be a negative number and it should not be a fraction. So here x is having positive number as exponent, therefore it is a polynomial. Now write third one, y square minus 3p plus 2. Here variable is p and y. If the variable power is negative number or if the variable power is a fraction, then it is not a polynomial. So here it is a polynomial. And degree of the polynomial is 2. Next, fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Here y is in the denominator, so if you bring it to numerator, it will become 2 into y to the power minus 1. Here variable is y. If the variable power is negative number, then it is not a polynomial. Therefore, we can write it is not a polynomial. Next one, 5 root x plus x root 5. Here variable power is root, therefore root means power is 1 by 2. Here root 5, variable power is 1. If the variable power is a fraction, then it is not a polynomial. So we can conclude it is not a polynomial. Next, sixth bit, x to the power 100 plus y to the power 100. Here x and y two variables are there. If the variable power is a positive number, then we can say it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial of degree 100. Next, third one, write the coefficient of x cube. Write the coefficient of x cube in the following polynomials. Write the coefficient of x cube in the following polynomials. Here x cube term is there and the number written on left side of that x cube, that is called coefficient. So here coefficient is not mentioned, so it is considered as 1. Here coefficient of x cube is taken as minus 1. Here coefficient is there, that is root 2. Beside x cube, whatever the number is there, that is called its coefficient. So here coefficient of x cube 2. Here x cube is there, its coefficient is pi by 2. So So coefficient of x cube is equal to pi by 2. Here coefficient of x cube is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here x cube term is not there. If term is not there, you can write like this: 0 into x cube. So coefficient of x cube is 0. Here also x cube term is not there. You can write 0 into x cube. So it makes no difference if you write 0 into x cube. Now coefficient of x cube is equal to 0 also. Right, question number 4. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic expressions. First one is 5x square plus x minus 7. Second one, x minus x cube. Now third one, x square plus x plus 4. Fourth one, x minus 1. Fifth one, 3p. Sixth one, 5r square. So an expression where the highest variable power is 1, it is called linear expression. An expression in which if the highest power of the variable is 2, it is called quadratic expression. An expression where highest power of x is 3, it is called a cubic expression. Here highest power of the variable is x, highest power of the variable is 2, so its degree of the expression is 2, then we call it as quadratic expression. If the highest power of the variable, highest power of unknown is 2, that is called quadratic expression. Here you see highest power of unknown is 2, so degree is 2, so we can say it is a quadratic expression. Here highest power of the variable is 1, so degree of the expression is 1. If the degree is 1, it is called a linear expression. Here highest power of the variable is 1, so degree of the variable is 1, so it is a linear expression. Here highest power of the variable is 2, so degree of the polynomial is 2, therefore it is a quadratic expression. Here highest power of the variable is 3, so degree of the expression is 3, so it is a cubic expression. Like this, if the degree highest power of the variable is 1, it is called linear expression. If the highest power of the variable is 2, it is called a quadratic expression. If the highest power of the variable is 3, it is called a cubic expression. So by observing the exponent of the variable, you can decide the degree of the polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is a quadratic expression. If the degree is 1, it is a linear expression. If the degree is 3, it is a cubical expression.